Don't you recognize your little boy? Be pretty seed of your stinking loins, and this filthy friends bring me my death. Unless he dies with you, beep Margie. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes Tracy and the baby. I always wondered how you came, Margie.